Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session what we'll be doing is that we will we will attempt to configure a DHCP relay. Okay, so we will make this as a relay agent. So this will be our server, right? Or we could just make this thing our server as well, does not really matter, but still let's do it since we have not configured anything. So let's configure first of all. Let's just configure this particular thing. Okay, so where is it? Preference, and then port labels, right? So we need the port labels, it'll be easy. Okay, that's it, right? Z001. So enable configure terminal, and then after that let's go to the interface. Z01 no shut. Okay, that's up. IP address is basically nothing else but 10.1, right? 0. That's our thingy, and then that's done. To right exit, and then let's go to the other interface. int z0/0/0, and then inside that let's configure IP address. IP address for this particular thing is, this is, which network is this? 182, right? So 182.192.25.1, right? So this side our IP is 1, as you can see over here. It's 1 for this. Alright, let's give it a subnet, which is basically of 252. 30 means 252, right? 30 bits on, right? Anything else? No shut. And that's pretty much it. Exit, so it should be up, and that's it, right? So that is done, right? On this port again, let's do similar thing. No, and then enable configure terminal, and then into the interface Z0/0/0. Oops. And then IP address, and it's nothing else but 192.25.2, right? 25.2 to the right, 5.0. Alright, no shut. Okay, this is also upright. Alright, man, why did I close it? In the interface Z000, this one, right? Let's write the IP address over here as well. So I've done a DLSM over here. Since you can see, like, this is like 182.192.25.0's network. This is .4's network, right? So IP address 182.192.25.5, right? Why did I write thingy over there? Overlaps with that. What the hell? Two, that means what happened over here? Alright, let's just do something else. Let's just change the whole thing, right? Let's not worry about VLSM and anything, blah blah. It should be 252, but I think I know where I made a mistake. This is where I made a mistake, that's why it's saying that. Alright. let's get rid of this exit. Let's go to our interface. What's that? 0/0/0/, and IP address is basically nothing else but 192.125. dot. So one is that, two is that, right? Two right exit. One right. So let's get inside this particular interface and then let's change it as well. IP address is basically 192.192.25.5, right? That's our subnet. No shut, exit, do right. Okay, the configuration is done. Let's check as well. Okay, 25.2 and then 25.5, right? What's happening over here? Let's see over here as well. 25.1. Okay, good. Let's just see this 5, and then this is our 6, right? Let's configure our server. Alright, let's configure this. So let's give it a static IP, right? It's IPv4.192.25.6. 7 is our broadcast, right? 8 is our next jumping value. 255.252. That's it, right? Yeah. Let's just hover over it. Yep, it's done, right? All right, that's good. Since this thing is done, now what we need to do is that we need to make this a relay, right? This is also a relay. First of all, let's define the route now. That's why that's when it'll be easier. So let's give this particular route over here. So IP route 192. Gives us 2 default route over here, right? 0 and then 0 and then what I could have done is let's just do a static route. 182.192.25.4, right? 2.2.2. That's our route, and then our gateway is 192.25. What's that IP? 2, right? Yep. 2, right? So all right, where is our static? Okay, that's there. Done. All right. Okay, now it's basically can reach over here. Same thing over here as well. What I have to do is define this particular route. Take it out. Take it up in 0. 0, and then our gateway is 192.192.25.1, right? Right. That's done, right? Now if I just have a look over here, let's just do tracert, right? Tracert 92.192.25.6 should reach over there. So first hope. Why is this happening? Because we don't have a IP over here, that's why. Let's do some configuration over here as well. Nothing else. Alright, so let's configure this so it's in our services, and then it should be over here DHCP, right? Okay, interface is that, right? FA01. Yeah, service should be turned on. That server pool will be, let's say server pool, right? Does not really matter. Default gateway is nothing else but the gateway is basically for which device are we talking about over here? So 10.10.10.1 will be our gateway. Same thing, right? Default gateway and DNS server for us will be same. So anything else? Everything is same. Maximum number of users. Okay. This is to add. Ooh, pool already exists. Or my network. Add, right? Save. Just don't need anything else, right? I don't have any other pool. Next thing that I should do is basically go over here and then make a DHCP over here so that they keep on requesting it. Alright, this thing is done, right? Now all I have to do is that go into this particular router, go into the interface, go into the interface, which is basically nothing else but 0/0/1, right? And then inside that, what I have to do is I have to define a helper address, okay? So which is nothing else but for us, it's this ID helper address 182.192.25.4, right? And that's our helper address. This is to exit, and then let's go again into another interface, 0/0/0, and then again do IP helper address 192.192.25.56. I made, you know what, I made a mistake over here. Exit is 0/0/1, and then inside that what I had to do was IP helper address Okay. Question mark IP. IP helper address 192.192.6, right? Okay, that's done. Exit. Let's go into the other interface. PC0/0/0. Then IP helper address 182.192.25.6. Right, that is also done. Okay, everything is done, right? Anything else that we missed? I don't think so. So let's see. Let's try pinging it first of all, and then let's see after that we will have a look. Ping 10.10.10.1. Okay. What about that? 182.192.25.1. This port is also not being pinged. Why is that? Did I actually give an IP over here? IP configuration. I have done it, but I did not give the gateway. That's why. Okay, got it. Not 6, but 5. Same thing over here. 5, right? Now I think I should be able to ping. Yep, a reply is coming from that port, right? Same thing over here. If we verify, have we received any IP? Not yet. Let's ping 10.10.10.1. Okay, it's reaching over there as well, right? Let's see what's happening over here. Still up IFA. Exit. Do so run. IP DHCP relay question mark information question mark first all to right. In this case, have we done helper address enable 150 and then don't need that over there. What's happening? What's happening? DHCP relay is not working. Let's check the configuration at the top. No. 10.2. There is no IP with that. But what's happening over here? Start IP is not this. That's why. My network. Okay, that's why it's not happening. Default gateways. 10.1. Start IP is start from 2, right? Subnet is basically maximum number of users go 200. Save, right? Now I think it should work. What's happening? Don't need that. Don't need this as well. I just need this one, right? That's our most primary concern. /24. Ping, ping, ping. Now it's working, right? It's got IP, it's got IP, it's got IP, right? So all you have to do is basically just make this a IP helper address, okay? That's all you need to do. You just don't need to do anything else. Pretty simple, right? So the only extra additional command that you have to do is do so, other than like typing in fast and making mistakes like myself. Right. IP helper address. Yeah, I should have got rid of this. So IP helper address will be only the server only. Okay, so you just don't need this. This is just a mistake by me. I should have done no, but I did not do that. So it just added another one. So yeah, this is how we basically configure a DHCP relay. So basically, just imagine this is your head office, and then basically you have a static IP from this router to this router, which is a site office, right? And then you just won't be keeping a server in the site, which will be very costly, right? So all the traffic from here will be forwarded from here to over here to the main office router, and then it will go to the server, and server will assign IP to this branch offices thing, yes, with computers as well. Okay, so very simple DHCP relay client. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. If you have any confusions regarding this particular solution, please do comment down below. I'll definitely help you out. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.